How to Bitcoin on Cash App. How to buy Bitcoin using Cash App. To set up a Cash App account, first go the Google Play or Apple Store page for Cash App. Then tap Install. Cash App will ask for your phone number. This is used for two-factor authentication, so that a hacker can't use your password to get into the account unless he has your phone. Once you've entered it and tapped Next, you'll receive a code within a minute or two. Enter this code to continue. Next, Cash App will ask to connect a bank account. You don't have to use routing or account numbers. Just put in the debit card number that is connected to your bank account, then tap Next. Enter your full name and tap Next. Then enter a $cash tag. This is a unique username that people will be able to use if they want to send you cash, not crypto. Tap Next. Enter your zip code and tap Next again. Invite your friends to get $5 or just skip that part. The Cash App main menu will load. To buy Bitcoin, first tap the circle in the top left corner that looks like a person. Tap Bitcoin. Your Bitcoin balance will be displayed. Tap Buy. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, and tap Buy. A confirmation screen will display. Tap Confirm Purchase. Within a few seconds, you'll have Bitcoin in your account. Because the price is always changing, the amount of BTC you receive may differ by a few pennies from what the confirmation screen showed you. But it should be pretty close. That's all when buying Bitcoin with the Square Cash App. Withdrawing Bitcoins to your wallet. Once you've installed a wallet and purchased Bitcoins from a cryptocurrency brokerage, it's fairly simple to withdraw your Bitcoins from the brokerage and into your personal possession. Here is how to withdraw Bitcoins from either Cash App or Coinbase. In these examples, let's use the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. But the steps will be similar regardless of the wallet you use. How to withdraw Bitcoins from Cash App to Electrum. To withdraw Bitcoins from Cash App, first enable deposits and withdrawals. From the main menu, click the icon in the upper left that looks like a person. Select Bitcoin. Scroll down the page and select Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. You'll be asked a series of questions to prove your identity. At the end, you'll be asked to take a picture of your driver's license or other ID. Once you've finished verifying your identity, you'll be brought to a withdrawal screen. Open Electrum on your PC and click the Receive tab. The code in the receiving address field is your Bitcoin address. It is a hash of your public key, which is derived from your private key. Any Bitcoins residing at this address will be under your full control, as long as no one else gets your private key. When you send Bitcoins from this address at some point in the future, you'll broadcast the public key to the Bitcoin network. This will allow the nodes to verify that you are the owner of the Bitcoins in this wallet. However, you will not broadcast the private key, so no one will be able to spend whatever Bitcoins are still in the wallet. Hold your phone's camera up to the PC screen. Center it on the QR code at the right side of the screen. This will copy your Bitcoin address into Cash App. Double-check to make sure that the address in Cash App is the same as the address in Electrum. If you make a mistake copying the address, you will lose all of your Bitcoin. Click Send. Within a minute or two, you should see a message in Electrum saying that you have an unconfirmed transaction. This transaction should be confirmed within the next 5 to 20 minutes. That's all there is to withdrawing Bitcoin from Cash App to a private wallet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Check the link below the video to see how you can grow big your Bitcoin business.